Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we solved exercise 11.3. Today, we are going to solve exercise 11.4, question number 1 and 2. So, let's solve it. Exercise 11.4. Question number 1. A garden is 90 meters long and 75 meters broad. A path 5 meters wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Students, in this question, we have to find the area of the path. Students, so in order to find the area of the path, we have to first find the area of rectangular garden excluding part as well as area of rectangular garden including part. Students, after finding the area of rectangular garden excluding and including part, we have to find the area of part by subtracting the area of rectangular garden excluding part from the area of rectangular garden including part. Students, note that the length of rectangular garden excluding part is given to us, which is 90 meters, and breadth of rectangular garden excluding part is given to us, which is 75 meters. So, in order to find the length and breadth of rectangular garden including part, we have to add the length or breadth of part given to us to the length of rectangular garden excluding part. By doing so, we will get the length of rectangular garden including part. Similarly, in order to find the breadth of the rectangular garden including part, we have to add the breadth of the part to the breadth of the rectangular garden excluding part. By adding the breadth of part which is given to us to the length of rectangular part excluding part, we will get the breadth of the rectangular garden including part. Students, also note that rectangle has 2 times length and 2 times breadth. Thus, by adding 5 into 2 or 10 meters to the length of rectangular garden, we will get new length of rectangular garden. That is length of rectangular garden including part. Similarly, adding 10 meters to breadth of rectangular garden excluding path, we will get the new breadth of the rectangular garden. That is breadth of the rectangular garden including path. So, let us solve question number 1 and find the area of the part by first of all finding the area of rectangular garden excluding part as well as area of rectangular garden including part and writing the necessary informations given to us. Length of rectangular garden excluding path is given to us 90 meters. Breadth of rectangular garden excluding path is given to us 75 meters. Therefore, area of rectangular garden excluding path is equal to how much? We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 90 into 75. Now, multiplying 75 by 90, we get 6750. Thus, area of rectangular garden excluding part is 6750 square meters. Now, let us find the length and breadth of the rectangular garden, including part. The length of rectangular garden, including part, is equal to 90 meters plus 5 meters plus 5 meters, which is equal to 100 meters. And breadth of rectangular garden including part is equal to 75 meters plus 5 meters plus 5 meters, which is equal to 85 meters. Thus, length of rectangular garden including part is 100 meters and breadth of rectangular garden including part is 85 meters. Now, let us find the area of rectangular garden including part. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 100 meters into 85 meters, which is equal to 8500 square meters. Thus, area of rectangular garden including part is 8500 square meters. Now, let us find the area of part. We know that area of part is equal to area of garden, including part, minus area of garden, excluding part. Thus, subtracting 6,750 from 8,500, we get 1,750. Thus, area of part is 1,750 square meters. Now, question number 2. A 3-meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular path of length 125 meters and breadth 65 meters. Find the area of the path. Students, in this question also, we have to find the area of the part. And we know that in order to find the area of the part, first of all, we have to find the area of rectangular part, excluding part, and also area of rectangular part including part. We also know that to get the area of the part, we have to subtract area of part excluding part from the area of part including part. Also, we know that to get the length and breadth of rectangular part including part, we have to add the length or breadth of part given to us to the length and breadth of rectangular part excluding part. So, let us solve question number 3 by first of all finding the area of part excluding part and also area of part including part and writing the necessary details or information given to us. Length of rectangular part excluding part is given to us 125 meters. Breadth of rectangular part excluding part is given to us 65 meters. Therefore, area of rectangular part equals to how much? We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 125 into 65, which is equals to 8,125. Thus, area of rectangular part excluding part is 8,125 square meters. Now, let us find the length and breadth of a rectangular part including part. Thus, length of rectangular part, including part, is equal to 125 meters plus 3 meters plus 3 meters. Now, adding 3 to 125, we get 128. Now again, adding 3 to 128, we get 131. Thus, length of rectangular part is 131 meters and breadth of rectangular part, including part, is equal to 65 meters plus 3 meters plus 3 meters, which is equal to 71 meters. Now, let us find the area of a rectangular part, including part. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 131 into 71, which is equal to 9301. Thus, area of rectangular part, including part, is 9301 square meters. Now, let us find the area of part. We know that area of part is equal to area of part including part minus area of part excluding part, which is equal to 9301 minus 8125. Now, subtracting 8125 from 9301, we get 1176. Thus, area of part is 1176 square meters.